Hello, welcome back. Let's look into the today's problem statement that we have to build a array from permutation. Means we have to build one permutation from the given array. Okay, what will be the permutation? We are given a array, and from that array we have to build a answer array of the same length, and the answer of I should be num of I. Okay, whatever the means the current element is pointing to whatever the index, that value we have to put on the ith element. Okay, okay. So the basic approach is that is we can iterate either we can like this. The first approach is that we can just create one array of the same size of num size, and iterate over the same array, and while iterating just fetch the element from that index. Means from nums of I, this whatever the value of num of I on that index will fetch the element from that given num array, and keep it to the answer, means new array on the ith place. Okay, this is the simple approach. But in this approach we have to create one more extra space, means extra space is needed here. So can we think in a solution that we can solve it without using extra space? So the main intuition is that what's the main intuition here? The main intuition is that whatever the number. So as we are given here, that range of number, what's the range of number is, it's 1000. Okay, so the range of number also given is 1000. So all number are available in this range 1000 to 0, in this range only. Now our intuition is that we have to get the element of this range, and based on that element we have to check out on the that element on the ith element, whatever the value is pointing to the index, we have to fetch check out on the particular array, particular index, and get value. Now after, but if we update the current index, then how can we update fetch? So our intuition is that whenever we update, so we try to not to disturb this range. We try not to disturb this range. We just either add up this some additional part. Means this other range, whole range are empty here. So we can use this one range. So in this range we can just add the whatever the suppose the fifth, the current element value is 5. Okay, and 5 element is pointing to, means fifth, at fifth index for the given num array is value 6. So we try to put instead of this block we can just put the value of 6 in this block. Okay, so because the size of integer is this much, suppose the size of integer is this much, so we can just put it here. So how can we put it here? So we have two approaches. First one is that we can just take multiply by 1024. Okay, means after multiplying this number we just shift it after this range, after 124 range, 1024. And now when we have to fetch the current original element, means when we have to fetch this one original element from this range, because the current element is 5, and after putting this, after some place of zeros we put 6 here. Now we have to fetch this original element. How can we fetch? So whatever the difference, why this difference we added now, we can just directly either divide or either right shift. Okay, so here we multiplied, currently we adding the sec new element on that same index. We what we did, we multiplied by 1024. Now when we have to get original number, that time we take mode of that. Okay, if we take the mode of that, it will give us original number, because the odd number is in this range 1020 1000. And similarly after it we have to update the original array also by dividing whole 1024. Similarly there is one more approach. What's the same? Thus intuition is same. So in previous one we are just multiplying by 20, 1024. Now instead of multiplying we can just shift also, we can shift the original number also by some amount. Okay, so and take the or of it. Okay, so can we shift and can we made in this range? Instead of 16 can we shift it below that also? let's think of let's think of this also. The range of this 1024 is what? The range of 1024 is what? What is 2 to the power n? What's the value of n here? Okay, let's calculate. What's the value of 1024?